Roof contractors damaging HVAC pipes during roof replacement is a common headache that can totally mess up your project if you don't handle it right. So, here's the deal. If your HVAC pipes are in the attic and roofers are nailing shingles, they can accidentally puncture those pipes if they're not installed properly or protected well. The best move is to double check that HVAC pipes are installed with enough clearance from the roof decking, like at least 2 inches, and that they have proper nail guards or protective plates. You can ask your HVAC contractor to make sure this is done right before the roofing starts. When hiring a roofer, clarify in advance how they handle rooftop HVAC components and whether they inspect the area for vulnerable pipes. If you see any pipes close to the deck, ask for nail plates to be installed to prevent accidental damage. Also, keep communication open between your HVAC and roofing contractors so everyone knows what's protected and what's not. If damage happens, review your contract carefully to understand liability clauses and what usual and customary trade practices mean in your case. Taking photos before work starts can help too if you need to prove where the damage came from later. One of the biggest mistakes people make with roof contractor HVAC pipe damage is ignoring how close those pipes are to the roof deck, which often breaks building codes requiring proper clearance and protection. Fix this by having the HVAC tech install nail plates or reroute pipes correctly before roofing starts. Another issue is not coordinating between contractors, leading to confusion about who's responsible for damage. Keep all parties talking and confirm responsibilities in writing up front. A third problem is signing contracts with broad disclaimers like no responsibility for rooftop HVAC damage without fully understanding them. Always get legal advice if you're unsure, and take photos before work begins to back up your claims. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who know how to handle tricky jobs like roofing near HVAC systems. It also helps contractors get work by connecting them with people who really need skilled pros for their home projects.